This platform is transforming the way that people trade. If you have ever dreamt of becoming a professional trader who will build confidence and not just trade your own money, but you will be very qualified to trade for other people and share in profit without blowing your accounts, without paying for prop firms, and without spending all your life trading on demo, this platform is the best platform for you. In fact, a lot of people are already using it to change the way that they trade. In this video, I am going to do a full tutorial about SignalXY and show you how you can use this platform to change the way that you trade Forex. If you visit this website, SignalXY.com, you will see that this is SignalXY, where trading credibility is earned. So you can click here to create account, or if you already have an account, you sign in. I have already signed in so that I will not waste your time. But I am going to show you why this platform is going to change the way that you trade. In fact, from this moment, if you have been wasting your time on demo, stop trading on demo and start trading on SignalXY. The benefits of trading on SignalXY are enormous. You cannot waste your time on demo accounts anymore because your ideas on this platform are going to give you money. The platform is structured in a way that it will help you to build consistency in trading, to refine your trading edge, and to begin to be very stable. And then as you progress on the platform, you will begin to earn. The platform not only connects you to investors, but it also helps you to monetize your trade ideas. And I am going to do this tutorial to show you some of the things that you need to know. The platform is quite very simple to understand. You see here, this is the logo of the company, SignalXY. Anytime you want to come back to the home page, you click there. Then this is the create button. When you click here, you can create signal. You will select any signals of your choice. You can create pending order. Like if you click pending order, you can set buy limit, buy stop, sell limit, or sell stop. Okay. And then you set your orders, and then you post risk to reward, then you post. You can also enable trailing stop or not. Okay. You toggle up and down. So that is how you post a signal here. Now, another thing you can post here is what is called market pulse. This market pulse is almost like doing a tweet or posting anything on Facebook. But the goal is specifically for people who are trading. As you're trading, if you have anything that is bothering you, so here it says share anything, a hot take, a chat, or just a feeling. If there is any event that is going to affect trading and you want to alert people, you can type. If anything is happening in the market and you do not understand, you can ask a question and other people that know will help you. If you have a chat that you want people to look at, you can also post there. So you can just write and click post. But if you want to add advanced features like the kind of event you are posting about, whether it's a technical analysis, a risk radar, you can add. These things are optional. You can also tag whether it's geopolitics, economics, or breaking news. What is going to affect you. You will tell it whether it will affect the market bullish or bearish. But all these things are optional. The main thing is for you to write what you want and just click the post button. So that is that. You can also access the post button from this side. Okay. Now, this thing is also available for mobile users. Just go to SignalXY.com and you have access. Now, the next thing here is to, if you like the dark view, you can change this into the dark view and you will see this is a very sleek system. Then here is the notifications you see. Then you can also chat on SignalXY. When you click the chat box, you can search for anybody and chat with the person. Okay, then here you have the wealth terminal. This terminal is a premium analytic tool that our company developed so that you will not just be trading blindly using technical analysis only. This is a fundamental analysis tool, and it is the best in the industry right now. Okay, So it helps you to know which currencies are strong based on their macroeconomic and which currencies are weak. Okay, so when you scroll down, you will see top recommended trade that is saying you should buy these currency pairs. So you should go and do your technical analysis. When you see any technical analysis aligned to the direction of the fundamental, you can take that trade. So this is how it is. Now, you also see the ranking. As at this moment, the euro is the strongest. Now, the weakest currency here is Euro JPY. So you see clearly that a currency pair like Euro JPY you will be buying. When you go to your chart, you just need to mark whatever. So I took this trade from here and it is in profit, but I'm already expecting a breakout of that, okay? But what gave us that idea was the wealth terminal. The platform allows you to follow people with credibility, not people who will come to Telegram groups to just post fake signals and lie to you how they are making money. Anybody that you see on this platform, their trade ideas are public and you can track their track record. So as you scroll, let's assume that you scroll down and you see a trader that you want to follow. That this man has been trading. You see, he has a signal here that is already in profit by 2.98%. If you scroll down, you also see another trade. You want to know more about this trader, you can click on his profile and it will open his personal profile area. So this personal profile area, you can send him a message or you can click here to follow him. You see his win rate, his Sharp ratio, his maximum drawdown, his profit factor, and the number of people that are following him. You will also see his recent trades. Look at it. This one is running. This one is running in profit. This one is in profit. He just closed this one with a loss. Then this one closed with a profit, closed with a profit. You can see that this man is a good trader. And even at that, his maximum drawdown is very low. So he's somebody that you can actually follow his trade ideas. But you don't follow blindly. There is something I'm going to show you that you will know the right people to follow on SignalXY. The platform is basically new and a lot of people are just coming on board. So the platform allows people to prove their credibility publicly so that they will be qualified for people to follow them. So when you click Advanced Analytics, you will see that this trader only used to trade with Take Profit 1. He does not set Take Profit 2 and Take Profit 3. So if he was using Take Profit 2 and Take Profit 3, you will know how many times his trade will hit Take Profit 2 or Take Profit 3. Now, this achievement level, these are the different ranks you see on SignalXY. When you join SignalXY, you become unrated. In fact, if you go back to the dashboard, you see that everybody that is on SignalXY right now is unrated. The system is tracking how they are posting, the win rate, the maximum drawdown, the Sharp ratio, and other indices that are not visible here. And then based on that, it is ranking people. As you keep on posting, you grow from unrated to analyst. Look at the conditions here. Then you move to junior trader. Then you move to prop trader. These two levels are the levels where you unlock your monetization. And I am going to show you. So when you go back to the dashboard here, you will see here that all the people that have been posting here, this guy is unrated. Even this is my own profile. I am unrated. He's unrated. Almost everybody on SignalXY right now is unrated. Okay. And that is because the platform just began and it is the best time for you to come on board. This area, you see the top traders. This video, I want to show you how you can track your growth. When you open an account, you go to the website, you fill in your detail and you create an account. The moment you create an account, come to your personal profile, click on your profile. Then you see this profile, click there. You will see here, you will set up your account very well. Set up your username the way you want it to appear. Set your display name and write a little about yourself, like whatever your trading style is or what you want people to know about you. Then you select whether you're a scalper, day trader, swing trader, all those things. Then you save. Okay. Now you click on earnings. This is where you will track your progress on SignalXY to know when you are qualified to start earning. Okay. So when you click here, you will see total signals that you have generated. Now your Sharpe ratio, the way they are growing. For me to get to the level of an analyst, I need my Sharpe ratio to be 0.5 at least. Then I need to get up to 25 followers. I have 23 people following me on SignalXY right now. Okay, then you can also click here to share your personal profile with people. If you want to share your profile on Twitter, on Facebook, or LinkedIn, you can just copy the link. So if you want to see how other people are seeing your profile, click here. This is how people view your own trades. Like this is my own account, okay? Then you come down here, you see this is a signal I gave. This is another signal there. They are swing positions that have not started moving fine. This is another trade here. This is another trade already in profit. Okay, so when you scroll down, you will see your losses and everything very transparently. Because the platform you cannot delete. Once you post a signal on SignalXY, you cannot delete. It is for transparency purpose. Okay, then you can come here, you see the close positions that I have had. You see my losing trades. You can see everything very clear. So you can see basically your last 50 trades on SignalXY. This is how people will be seeing your personal profile. Then you can click here to share it. Copy the link and you can share it on WhatsApp anywhere you want. Okay. Now you go back to the feeds. You come back to your personal profile. This last area is security, where you can set your password or change it anytime you want. So that is that about SignalXY. You can use it on Android, on iOS, and all those things. The mobile app is being developed and will soon be deployed to the Play Store. Okay, so for you to gain the best on SignalXY, check my pinned comment or the description of this video for a link to join SignalXY right now, or simply visit on signalxy.com and then you can sign up and start following this platform before it gets saturated. Don't miss the opportunity to position yourself right now and grow in your Forex trading journey. I look forward to seeing you on SignalXY. When you sign up, you can search for David Wiggum. That's my own personal profile, and start following me. If you have any question, ask it on the comment. I am going to respond to you.